everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our June creative kit, and I'm going to show you what is in the box. Okay, let's start with these. These are a cute little packet of little wooden leaves. Cute and adorable. We have used the Morning Dew collection from Kaisercraft, and this is their collectibles. We have some beautiful flowers. These are gorgeous green ones, a whole bunch of those, and also a whole bunch of these cute little loose daisies. More of them. There is some of this beautiful kind of burlap lace, which is just going to add some gorgeous texture to this kit. Then we have got some doilies. There's a few. These doilies, you do have to kind of separate them or feel like one thick one, but it's actually 4 or 5 of them. I think it's 4 in this little bunch in there. So that's the doilies. There are some craft cards. And this is called This Time Sticker Sheet. This is actually washi sticker sheet, so these are really cute. There is some muslin, more texture, and some beautiful half-cooked rice paper. Again, this is to give you some texture. This is our cute little laser cut. Oh, I've lost the butterfly. Oh, there he is. There's a cute little laser cut. My little butterfly just fell out of mine. And of course our creative magazine. So lots of projects in the magazine as usual, and in the back there's all the cards. So that is our cute little magazine. This is our cut apart sheet for this month with these beautiful butterflies on there. And there's an extra couple of sheets of Kaiser paper that we've chosen to add that weren't in the paper pack. So it's those two. And then you have got some white, and I think it's called Time Class stock. It does actually say ivory in the book, but it's actually white. A white suits this kit much better than the ivory. And then there is the Morning Dew paper pack, which also has the sticker sheet. So heaps of product in the box as usual. And now let's take a quick look at the projects. Now I'm filming this early because we are sending these projects up to Brisbane for the Scrap Expo. So there's 2 dies we've used. The first one is this one here, which is called Trellis Texture. And then the second one is this one here, which is Eucalyptus Foliage. And I'm going to show you a photo of those at the end because I don't actually have the dies to show you what they look like. So I'm filming this super early. So this is one of mine, loads of texture in there. Tanya Ridgewell has joined us. Lots of gorgeous use of the flowers and the texture there. Cute little one from Tanya. Maria Aloisi, and she's used that gorgeous die, the trellis one on her. Oh, another one by Tanya, run the wrong way. And you can see the cute layering of the texture she's done here and including that really sweet little die. Another one of mine, there's my little pearly. Lots of layering and threading. And this is another one of Maria's with Nonna and Jake. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, then we had Pharrell Taylor join us. She's done 4 cute little layouts. This is her first one. Love this one, it's beautiful. This is her second one. Very cute. And there's another one here. Lots of beautiful work with the layering. And this is her 4th one. Now we've got some cards. This is not all the cards, there is a few more that you can choose from as well. This is just beautiful. That is one of Tanya's. We had Julia Pacisco. Sorry, Julia, if I got your name wrong. She's made some beautiful cards joining us too this month. Particularly love this one. See how she's rolled the paper to make this cute little card. Again with that trellis die all the way through. And so they're the cards, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to insert a photo right now of the 2 dies, of the Eucalyptus Foliage one and of the trellis one, so that you can see them. So I hope you guys like the dies. They are, for this foliage one, it is $17.60 I think, and the trellis one is $15.80, but I'll put those prices in as well. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry, I am filming this really early for you guys so that we can actually have the projects before we actually do them. So jump over to our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au, to pre-order your June creative kit today.